the fashion show.
हमारी जर्नी कुछ शाही अंदाज में शुरू होने वाली है.
Really? आगे आगे देखो होता है क्या? So let's take you to the era of kings and queens. This round brings that majestic aura alive.
So let's welcome our royals, the kings and queens of the evening.
This is Beats Entertainment.
वाह, क्या अदा थी, क्या नजाकत थी। ऐसा लगा जैसे स्टेज राजाओं की विरासत बन गई हो।
लेट्स सी कौन अपने आप को शाही अंदाज में इंट्रोड्यूस कर सकता है।
So contestants, I mean kings and queens, please introduce yourselves. I would request contestant number B1 and G1 to come forward.
A vibrant evening to the honorable judges, faculties of the Allen House families, and all the Allenites. I am Shanzi Khan, pursuing BJEC from Allen House Institute of Technology. Under the leadership of Superhouse Foundation, I believe in embracing challenges and stepping out of my comfort zone, because that's where growth, uniqueness, and creativity truly begins. I love exploring new opportunities, learning from every experiences, and expressing myself with confidence and grace. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Trisang Singh Chauhan. I am pursuing MBA from Allen House Institute of Management. My goal is to become a businessman who contributes to making our nation self-reliant and proud to the global stage. I aspire to add more stars in the name of Kanpur, the city where I was born and raised. Thank you.
Thank you, contestants.
I request contestant number B2 and G2 to kindly come forward.
A very cheerful evening to one and all present here. I am Syed Sakina Zehra, a proud first-year BBA student at Allen House Business School. Life for me is a canvas, sometimes painted with art and craft, sometimes spiced with the thrill of horror movies, and often brightened by the confidence I feel when I hold the mic, be it for speaking or performing. Thank you.
Good evening to everyone. I am Rishabh Kumar and I am pursuing Bachelor of Computer Application from Allen House Business School. I like to keep things comfy and cool. And one thing about me, I am always passionate about what I do. I am truly grateful for this experience and I hope to keep growing and shining in this amazing world of fashion. Thank you all. That's all about me.
Thank you, contestants.
Now, I like to call contestant number G3 to come forward.
A very exuberant evening to one and all present here. I'm a student from BBA department pursuing my interest in business and management. My name is Aksa Noor. Aksa means to the highest and Noor means the brightest star. Together, my name reflects my aspiration to achieve the highest goal in life while always shining bright with positivity and light. Thank you.
Thank you, contestant.
I now request contestant number B4 and G4 to kindly come forward.
Good evening, my respected judges, teachers, and my dear friends. I am Anshika Kedia, a girl with big dreams and brighter smile, pursuing BBA from Allen House Business School. Today, I step onto the runway as Queen Elizabeth, confident, fearless, and ready to own the stage. Because fashion isn't just about what you wear, it's about how you style it. Thank you.
A delightful evening to one and all present here. Pursuing BBA from Allen House Business School. I believe that stepping into this stage is not just about fashion, but it's also about confidence, grace, and creating a presence of my own. I am thrilled to share this wonderful moment with you all. Thank you everyone and enjoy the show.
Thank you, contestants.
Now, I like to call contestant number B5 and G5 to come
Check.
forward for the introduction.
Adab, Salam, Namaskar. My name is Khulud and I am pursuing BTech in Computer Science with specialization AIML. Today, I have the honor to present myself as Mehrun Nisa, the woman whose grace captivated heart and whose name still echoes in history as Noor Jahan, the light of the world. Thank you.
The journey of 1,000 miles began with a single step. Have a productive evening to one and all present over. My name is Vineet Gupta. The name of my meaning is humble and knowledgeable, and I love to live up to that. I am pursuing MCA from Allen House Institute of Technology. In my spare time, I love to do exploring ideas. At last, I am very grateful to be a part of this event. Thank you.
Thank you, contestants.
I'd now like to invite the last contestants of this round, contestant number B6 and G6, to kindly come forward.
Good evening, everyone over present here. My name is Priya Jaiswal and I am pursuing MBA. Grateful for the guidance and blessing of my elders. I believe in power of a small improvement in daily life. I led to a greater growth and success. Wishing you a very happy evening to all. Thank you.
A very cheerful evening to all. Hi, my name is Avi Gautam. I am a 20-year-old engineering student stepping into the world of modeling. I am pursuing my BTech degree with specialization in AIML from Allen House Institute of Technology. While technology shapes my career, style fuels my soul. I am here to quote my confidence and personality on the stage. That's all about me. Thank you so much.
Thank you to all the contestants for your introduction. Now, you may leave the stage.